everybody, today's video is all about wall art, and the reason I chose to do wall art today is because I'm moving into my own place and I've realized that I have nothing to put up against my wall. And I'm a girl, we love decorating. So I decided to create a 3-piece wall art set. I went with guitars because I really love music and it inspires me. Here you can see the electric, the bass, and the acoustic guitar. How cool was that? Let me show you a bit of my design work and also the settings. This is the designing process, and here is where the magic happens. I used guidelines and I was editing the notes, and I used the welding and the trimming tool, and I learned this through MaxLaser Academy. And when you buy a machine from us, the MaxLaser Academy lessons will be available for you to use. Okay, this is the design. I saved them as 3 separate layers because I want to cut them individually. So my cut settings are going to be the same for all 3 of them. So for my first layer, as you can see, the speed is on 7 and my power is on 80 with air assist on. And we are cutting this on 5mm black acrylic. So if you are interested in buying acrylic, please reach out to MaxLaser. We'll be happy to help. So with that being said, the settings are done. Let's watch the magic happen. I really hope this inspired you just as much as it inspired me. Designing wall art is very profitable, and I recommend adding this to your laser making projects. Thank you guys for watching. Check you in the next one.